Hi everyone, welcome to Divya Zoo class. Today I am going to explain some repeated questions in Standard 10, Subject Science, Unit 17. Reproduction in plants and animals. The first question is, mention the functions of endosperm. What is endosperm? What is the function? Endosperm provide food to developing embryo. For the embryo development, they need food to provide endosperm. And the second question is, define triple fusion. What is triple fusion? One sperm fused with the egg to form diploid zygote. Another sperm fused with the secondary nucleus to form primary endosperm nucleus. It is made up of triploid in nature. This is very important 2-mark question. Define triple fusion. And the next question is, name the secondary sex organs in male. Here I given male as well as female. Male was deferens, epididymis, seminal vesicle, prostate gland and penis. Sometime they will be asked female secondary sex organs. If they ask, you should write fallopian tube, uterus, cervix and vagina. The next question is, what is colostrum? How is milk production hormonally regulated? The first fluid which released from the mother's mammary gland after childbirth is called colostrum. And which hormone is regulated? Prolactin hormone. And in this hormone is secreted from the anterior pituitary. And the next question is, structure of angiospermic ovule. Ovule, we know that it's a main part of the nucellus and it's enclosed by two integument layers. It's opened by micropyle and attached to the ovary wall. The stalk is called funiculus and saliza is the basal part. The diagram is very important. Sometimes they will be asked in 2 marks, sometimes they will be asked in 4 marks as well as 7 marks. Here totally 8 cells are there. For the 8 cell, upper 3, lower 3 and the middle 2. And the next question is, phases of menstrual cycle. There are 4 main phases are there. The first one, menstrual phase, follicular, ovulatory, luteal. It's very important detail. The phases, days, changes in ovary and changes in uterus you should write. Hormonal changes no need to write. So how many days it will be take for each phases? What are the changes happen in the ovary? What are the changes happen in the uterus in each phases? Especially you know that menstrual phase, it's ovary, what changes it will be happen? The primary follicles start to develop. Like that each phases some changes it will be happen. And the next question is, pollination and its types. What is pollination? The transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the flower is called pollination. There are 2 main types of pollination. One is called self-pollination, another one is called cross-pollination. Self-pollination is otherwise called autogamy and the cross-pollination is otherwise called allogamy. Self in the sense we know that the pollination takes place by same flower or another flower but within the same plant. Cross-pollination means we know that another flower or another plant but the same species, that is called cross-pollination. And more than you should refer advantage and disadvantage of each pollination. And the next question is regeneration. Sometimes they will be asked in 2-mark question, what is regeneration? What is the example of regeneration? And the parts of the typical flower, sometimes they will be asked the diagram and sometimes they will be asked what are the parts of the typical flower. What are the parts? Calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Both also you should refer. And the next one, structure of anther and pollen grain diagram. Pollen grain diagram is a book bag diagram. It's very important diagram. Sometimes they will be asked anther diagram also. And the next one is agent of pollination. Pollination by wind, that is anemophily. Pollination by insect, entomophily. Pollination by water, hydrophily. Pollination by animal, zoophily. Sometimes they will be asking match the following, otherwise they will be asking 1 mark question. And the next one is significance of fertilization. Sometimes they will be asking 2 mark. And post fertilization changes. This one 1 mark they will be asked. The ovule develop into dash, seed. The integument develop into seed coat. Ovary develop into fruit. Sometimes they will be asking 1 mark. And the next one is structure of sperm. Diagram, very important. And next one 1 mark question, spermatogenesis, that means formation of sperm. Oogenesis, formation of ovum. Like that they will be asked. Pregnancy, in this period we can call as gestation period. In the time uterus it will be expand to 500 times for the normal size. And the next one, what is the symbol of the family planning? That is inverted red triangle. That is very important. And what is contraception? It is a birth control measure. And the next one is toilet hygiene and menstrual hygiene, napkin hygiene. Here surely they will be asked any one question, very important, because hygiene topic they will be asked in interior wise. So you can refer that questions also. Additionally, I added some question. You can refer these questions also. I hope that what I explained today you can understand. Thank you.